Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a 52-inch Hunter Passport 2 ceiling fan, and I just received this, and thanks to fan collector Dan Newman, aka Spiffy Newman. This is one of my childhood fans and I really enjoy it. Some things are noteworthy. When I got this fan, the housing was loose on it, so I had to like tighten it back. It was no big deal. And the slide fitter is a little bent. I'm gonna take that off. And I thought about like putting just a regular schoolhouse light, a polished brass fitter on this. I mean, I could do it, but what I really want to do is put like one of those fancier Hunter light kits on it. I might put the one that's on the Lansdowne on it. So, or the one of those bowl lights. I had a Hunter bowl light that I got off a Hunter low profile, so I'm gonna put that on it too. I'm kind of debating about it. I think I might do the bowl light as the hexagonal light is currently on the Lansdowne. But this fan is dated January of 1996. It is precisely 1 year newer than the what is it? The Chesapeake I just got. The one that looks like the Hunter Park Lanes in that family. I think technically, I think we confirmed it was a Chesapeake because of the integrated light kit on it, and I like that name better. So there you have it. So otherwise it's all there. I don't think it has like the blade screws goes to like the motor. That's okay. I have spare screws like that. But let's have a look at the side bands, filigree, and here's the tag. And I will be using it, mounting it standard mount. For some reason I mount my Hunters like this flush, but I think I might try this one standard for the heck of it. May eventually mount flush, but alright, well there you have it, a Hunter Passport 2 sold at Home Depot, and I can't wait to put it up. Sign off now. Thank you for watching.